Hi, welcome to your summer marketing class, hospitality marketing class for 2017. I'd like to go over the instructions for your student peer review grading. All right, ready for slide 2? Okay, so the student peer instructions, everyone's going to have an opportunity to review other students who are doing their presentations via the Screencast-O-Matic, which gets loaded to YouTube. There will be 17 reviews for each student here, and your review is worth 20 points. Total point value for our summer semester would be 17 times 20, which is 340 points. So actually, we have 32 people in the class. You will not be doing all 32 students. You'll only pick one student to review. So we start with Chapter 4 for the presentations. And what I believe you're going to notice is everybody's going to be reviewing different Chapter 4s. Well, let me kind of explain. It's really just 2 students presenting on Chapter 4, but you get to choose which student you'd like to review. The review process, if you would let me, I'm going to advance here to the next slide, will help you understand why are we doing this assignment. Well, first of all, I really like that you get to see fellow colleagues in your class and to learn what they're presenting on. It provides insight to the chapter reading that you probably wouldn't get if you didn't watch their presentations, because these are very special questions that they're answering at the end of the chapter. They're very involved questions. They require some research, some very interesting video that they'll show you, and their version of how they answered the question. This provides a lecture format instead of just reading PowerPoints that I have prepared for you. It also highlights student insight to a particular subject area that they've spent some time on, and it encourages students viewing the work of their fellow colleagues. Okay, so how will you be graded on this peer review? So these presentations are worth a lot of points for the student presenting, over 200. And when you're watching their presentation, there are certain things that I'm hoping that you're garnering from it. First of all, the chapter assignment questions have anywhere from 4 to 6 questions embedded into one major question. So it should be relatively easy for you to find 5 key concepts, and literally each concept that you note is worth 2 points. Then the second portion, which would bring it to a total of 10. The second portion of the peer review is what did this student presentation teach you, essentially? What concepts do you want to think more about? So you will answer the what concept, what did this student teach you? And then the second one is answering why you want to think more about what they have shared with you. So that's 5 points, an additional 5 points, which brings the student peer review to 20 points each. All right, I don't think that you'll have any trouble with this portion of the assignment. If you do, please feel free to email me. And of course, we'll be able to Skype as well. But I think that this should be pretty forthcoming. Our class is short, so you're going to want to keep up as best you can. Don't miss a peer review. They're due at the end of each week, just like the other discussion questions and the quizzes. Remember, we're on a Sunday to Wednesday pattern. Things are due Wednesday night, things are due Sunday night, things are due Wednesday night, things are due Sunday night. And like I said, class is short, doesn't last much longer than the 5 weeks. Thank you so much for your time. Hope you have no trouble doing this portion of the homework assignment. Bye for now.